the idea that you can get it at an auction for cheap, use it, and then just literally turn around and resell it right after you're done and possibly resell it for more than what you bought it for. Not only did you use it for free, but you made some money using it, which is just a crazy concept that I
Right.
think people are just not used to understanding or experiencing. They're used to buying a drill brand new at the store, 250 bucks. They take it home, they use their drill, they put it, put it in the bag, they
Mhm.
put it on the shelf, and they don't use it again for 6 months. And then, oh, I need the drill. So you go out and you maybe get 5 uses out of that drill, 10 uses,
Right.
and it costs you 250 bucks. That means every single time you picked up that drill, it cost you 25 bucks.
Yep.
That's like crazy statistic to think about that you
Yep.
spent 250 bucks on a drill, used it 10 times, and every time you picked up the drill, it cost you
Cost you
25
more money.
bucks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy.
That's wild.